Hiya, quick one here for the brake switch, brake light switch for you. It's a Peugeot 308 T9 2014. It's got that type of dashboard in it. Brake light switch, it's on the passenger side, just underneath here. And the only tool you need is that to take these little clips out. Dead easy. Save yourself a load of money here. So there's a brake light switch. All you do is you take that off the plug. Took it out the way because it'll get in your way. And then all you do is you just get a hold of that and turn it anti-clockwise and then pull it out. And then you get your new one. You make sure the terminals are facing like that, and then just excuse the hand and turn it clockwise, and it's back in. Get your little connector. It is a bit fiddly, but doable. And that's it. Job done. Easy as that. And then you put your panel back on. I would say it takes about, what, no longer than 5 minutes. Thanks for watching. Bye.